You're on an adventure and everything you own is wrinkly? Bleh. Let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the iLake handheld travel steamer. That's right, you can essentially iron your clothes while on the go. Plus, there's a lot of really great health benefits to steaming things too. Yeah, but as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. This is the iLake travel handheld steamer. Looks fantastic. Very nice right there. Packaging A+. It's got lots of information on it. Universal input voltage. Portable and lightweight, efficient steam, and multifunction smart mode. Very nice. Well, let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this iLake customer service little page right here. It's got some little details on the steamer itself. Some please read carefully right there, so don't burn yourself. But information right there, that's important. You've got the user manual right here, and it looks like we've got multiple different languages in here, so that is always appreciated and just shows you it really is a travel steamer. They're letting you know. Next up, we got this super cute travel bag, and it's like some kind of velvet or something. That is nice. Looks like we have a little measuring cup right here to fill the steamer with water, because you need water to make steam. So very cool that they include a little measuring cup for the water. And the reason you're here, wow, look at this, the iLake handheld travel steamer. This thing is nice. It's got a really long extension cable on it right here, so you should be able to use it across the room. So very, very nice. Looks like we've got low, high, dry. We got some different buttons here for selecting things. We got our on and off, so swipe it up, swipe it down. This turns. That is very awesome. Huge fan of that. We've got our little grill right here, I guess you could say, that's going to make the steam and also help you iron out clothes. So very, very nice. Right here on the bottom is our basket, so we can pull that out, fill that with water, and then put it back in, and it clicks, so nothing to worry about. This thing looks great. We're excited to try it out, so let's get into it. This is the iLake Travel Steamer. True dual voltage at 100 to 240 volts. It's outlet hassle free. iLake's Travel Steamer dual voltage works in 150 plus countries, from London to Tokyo to New York City. Just plug it in and steam, saving you cash and precious suitcase space. Carry-on size and water bottle light at just 11.4 by 4.7 by 3.3 inches and 1.6 pounds. It slides into any carry-on and weighs less than your water bottle. This mini portable steamer smooths stubborn wrinkles in seconds. Its 90-degree foldable head hides easily into packed carry-ons and tight hotel drawers, even RV cubbies. Instant wear handheld steamer, 1,000 watt powerful steam ready before coffee brews. It takes about 30 seconds to reach 230 to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, and the heat smooths wrinkles instantly, so it's ready to wear. So your clothes are ready to wear immediately. Crisp collars, smooth hemlines, no water spots, no weight. Auto sleep after 10 minutes on idle, and empty tank shutoff keeps it safe. So no worries if calls, kids, or chaos distracts you. 3-in-1 steamer for clothes. You can switch between gentle, turbo, or dry mode. The 120 milliliter detachable tank provides 10 minutes of continuous steam for 4 to 8 garments. Snap it off for quick refills and easy cleaning. Instantly refresh suits with spot-free handheld steamer. It's a steamer for multiple fabrics and angles, so this steams clothes such as silk, cashmere, denim, wool, cotton, linen, polyester, even thick winter coat. The 90-degree swivel head slips into nooks and crannies, gliding around bottoms, under collars, and along seams effortlessly on hanging or flat garment. No wrist strain, just showroom smooth result. And it's easy to use. This travel steamer features an ergonomic grip with clear LED indicator and 6.56 foot cord, making one-handed steaming easy on hanging or flat garment, including a measuring cup for easy refill refills, and a compact storage pouch for tangle-free travel. With the auto shut-off, it adds safety during last-minute touch-up. iLake, this thing is definitely awesome. Great job. This is our first time working with iLake, and I gotta say, this product is fantastic. Easy to use, easy to steam, and it gets the wrinkles out. It's exactly what you need. But we want to give a huge shout out to iLake for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.